So now I'm going to fill those spaces. I have entered my first name, last name, email address, mobile number, and now I'm going to enter a password. And I have also selected a gender as male. So since I already don't have an account or I haven't signed in, so I'm going to sign up. After I click this, here you can see we get a notification saying a success. Now I'm going to fill my details in sign in page and I'm entering my password here. So after completing email and password, I'm going to click sign in. Let's check on this remember me option and see what's happened. So now I am going to click on sign in button. It took us into home.php file. So once again, let's go back into index.php file. So as you can see, now here and here, the relevant values has been automatically filled. Let's input our email here so we can use this email to send a verification and use that verification code to recover the password. So now I'm going to click on this forget password option. Here you can see we got an alert saying verification code has sent to your email, please check your inbox. So let's click on OK. You can see here we got our forget password window and we can reset our password using this. I am inserting a new password here and now I am going to paste my verification code here. Now when we click on reset password, this new password will be inserted into our database. So you can see we got a notification saying password reset success. So here we have our select product category, insert area, then brand and then model. Here let's select on cell phone and accessories. So after that in here we can add a title and let's give it a condition as used and then let's select on red color and let's add quantity 5 then cost per items 50,000 then delivery costs 2,000 within Colombo 2,000 and out of Colombo 5,000. After that we can enter a product's description. After that part, here we can add new images relevant to that product. After that, we can click on Save Product button. When the seller click on this Update Product button, it's going to take that user into Update My Products web page. Here you can see we have our update product.php file. In here, all the data relevant to that product has been already loaded in here. After changing those data, you can click on update product button. If we enter our keyword here, when we click on search, it's going to give us the relevant result from our database. And in here we can select what are the categories that we are need to use. If we select any categories or any of these conditions and when we click on this search button, it's going to give us the relevant results. Here we have our product. So if we click on this Samsung product buy now button, it's going to take us into single product view.php file and detail of that relevant product will be displayed in here. if we click on this, it's going to change the color into red. So that means we have successfully added this product into our watch list. So if we go back into our watch list now, in our watch list you can see the recently added product can be found. In our products, if we click on this add to cart button, it's going to give us a alert saying product added successfully. So let's click on OK, and if we go into our cart, we can see that product has successfully been added into our cart web page. When we click on this buy now button, it's going to take us into our single product view web page. In here we can see the details relevant to this selected product, and here we can select our quantity, and then here we have given a button as buy now. When we click on this buy now button, it's going to bring us into this payment gateway. Here we can see the invoice receivers details, and here we have given the invoice number and the time and date of the purchase. Then in here we have our purchased product details. After I sign in, here you can see here we have a text saying welcome Pasindu. If I now click on this sign out button, it's going to change this name into sign in or register. So if I click this, it's going to take us back into sign in page. Let's enter admin email address here. Then we can click on this send verification code button. After that, it's going to pop up this admin verification model. After pasting this verification code, we can click on this verify button. After that, it's going to load this admin panel web page. In here, we have our admin first name and last name. After that, here we have our navigation panel. In this navigation panel, now we are in our dashboard. If we click on manage users, we can go into manage user web page. And if we click on manage products, we can go into manage product web page. After that, in here we have inserted the sorting part. We can select a date from here, and we click on the search button. It's going to display the products that are relevant to this duration. And after that, here we have displayed daily earnings and the monthly earnings. Today's sellings, here we have our monthly selling, total sellings and total engagement. After that, in here we have given that admin's active time. After that, in here we have inserted mostly sold item. In here we have our mostly famous sellers. When an admin insert a user's name in here and click on this search user button, that admin can find the relevant user. When an admin click on this block button, it's going to block that user. If we click again this unlock button, it's going to unlock that user. When we enter a keyword in this input field, and when we click on this product button, it's going to give us the products that are relevant to that keyword. When we click on this block button, it's going to change its text as unblocked. So now this product is blocked. If we need to unblock this product, we can click on this unblock button, then it's going to be unblocked. At the bottom of this page, we have inserted the area to manage our categories. So here we have our view message model, and we have displayed our sended and received message in here. and we have also given a input field in here to insert a new message text, and we have given a send button to send that message. In here you can see we have our selling history web page. So first let's search our products using invoice ID. So as you can see, when we enter our invoice ID, it's going to give us that relevant product details. And we can also search our products using a time duration. So let's select the time duration. As you can see, it's give us the products that are relevant to this time duration. In our buttons, we have shipping, packing, and confirm order as the button names. So first our order is going to look like confirm order button. So after admin confirm that order, it's going to give us the packing button. After completing packing, that admin can click on this packing button and it's going to change into dispatch button. So if we click on this button again, it's going to give us the shipping button. After that, if we click, it's going to give us the deliver button.